Are you planning a trip to Dubai and looking for accommodations that won't break the bank? Welcome to my hotel and lookbook review series, where I share hotels I've personally stayed at and leave detailed notes in the description. My sister and I stayed at the First Collection Waterfront Dubai, a tribute portfolio hotel located in the Business Bay, and here's exactly what it was like. All the staff were incredibly helpful and kind. The lobby area was clean, comfortable, and even featured a gift shop where we got some perfume oils before we left. From check-in to opening our room door, everything felt modern, clean, and welcoming. Our room was stylish, comfy, and had plenty of natural light. We also had a partial view overlooking the water, which was really nice to wake up to in the morning. The hotel had lots of amenities like a rooftop pool with a great view, and it also had a fitness center / gym and a spa. We also really liked that there were 2 dining options on site. The location was practical and a short drive to many Dubai landmarks. We took Kareem and Ubers to get around. There was also a shuttle that could take you to the Dubai Mall and other locations such as the Saluna Beach Club. But the real question is, would we stay here again? And our answer is yes. If you're going to Dubai, definitely check out these accommodations. It's a great hotel, and we have nothing but great things to say about it. Enjoy your trip. Bon voyage. Peace and love.